everyone, it's Allie, and today I am working with G4FREE and showing some of these wonderful pants that they sent over to me. So a big thank you to G4FREE for sending over these pieces. They are really great. I'm so excited to show them and talk about them a little bit. So if you don't know, G4FREE is a brand that can be found on Amazon, so we love that convenience. I will go ahead and leave a few referral links down below if you did want to go ahead and shop for yourselves. Check out the pieces that I tried on for you today if you want to take a look and see what they have to offer. I do like that they have lots of different sizes, and as somebody who is more petite, I absolutely appreciate that they do offer different lengths as well. So for reference, all of the pieces that I tried on for you today, I am wearing in a size small and I am wearing in a 29 length. I believe that is the smallest length that they offer. So I went ahead with that. For reference, I am about 5 feet tall, almost 5'1", but pretty much 5 feet tall. And I typically do wear an extra small to small. So what I do love about these pants is that there's so much versatility. I typically am like always in activewear, but I love that a few of these items, and I will go ahead and show you, these pants can be worn either, you know, on the go and being active, or they are nice enough that you can dress them up a little bit, which I love that versatility. I definitely appreciate that because you can have a pair of pants that you can wear running errands or being active, and you can stay in those pair of pants and just change it up a little bit, dress it up a little bit, and you can wear it out as well. So we love that. We love the versatility. We love the sustainability, so you don't have to have like a million pairs of pants. As far as length, I believe they offer a 29-inch inseam, 31 and 33-inch inseam. So you have a few different options depending on the length that you need. They do also offer a wide range of like plus size and different sizes like that. So it makes it a little bit easier to find the right size for you. So I will show you, but the pants themselves do have more of like a sleek appearance, which I appreciate, again, because you can wear them to be active, but you can also wear them out and dressed up. So the appearance is a little bit more sleek, and it goes through like a sanding type process. It goes through that type of process to make these pants a little bit more of like a soft and smooth type of feel. It also has a like a moisture wicking technology, which I like, especially, you know, for those of you that might be a little bit more prone to sweating. They do have moisture wicking, so that helps with like breathability and comfort and just overall performance. So, okay, so I'll leave all of my referral links down below if you want to check it out for yourself and take a look for any other discounts, things like that. And let's go ahead and get started. So the first pair of pants that I tried on for you are these. These are so comfortable. All of them are so comfortable. You're gonna hear me say that a lot in this video. These are the G4FREE Bear Free Yoga Pants, wide leg pants with pockets, and these are high-waisted dress pants. I love these. I love that they have a thicker high waist band, and they do include pockets. These are in the color taupe, so it's more of like a cool tone, purpley gray, and these are the wide leg pants. So they are like leggings, but they're wide leg, and these are really nice because you can dress them up or dress them down. They're super comfortable. Honestly, I like live in these. Like, I feel like I'm wearing pajamas basically, but they're nice enough and presentable enough that you can wear them out and you do look put together. I love how they are high-waisted and they just sit nicely at my waist, and yeah, I really, really like these. Okay, so this next pair of pants, I was so excited about when I saw these. These are the G4FREE Bare Feel Yoga Pants, high-waisted flare leggings, soft boot cut wide leg flared pants. And again, I do have them in a small and a 29-inch inseam. I absolutely love these. You can see that they do have, again, the logo in the back, and you have the stitching. Now these do not have pockets, and they are more fitted, obviously, because they're not like the full-on wide leg pant like the one I just showed you. They are fitted yoga pants, fitted flare leggings, however you want to call them. So they are a little bit fitted throughout the leg, even down to the calf. It actually, since it was like a slight flare, they were more fitted on me, like to my calf, and then they flared out a little bit, like, you know, at the shoes at your feet. I really like the silhouette of this. So I did pair this with the top I'm wearing now. I love these colors together. Like, oh, This is in the color coffee, which is like a nice, rich, warm brown. And I love that with like this cream color that I'm wearing today, but it's so cute. And I love that it's like very trendy, but there's something about like a little bit of that boot cut, that flare, that just, I don't know, changes the look up a little bit. And I love that. I feel like this would look really cute with like a long sleeve shirt and like, I don't know, maybe like a little puffer vest. Maybe that's really cute. So again, you can wear this like out and on the go. You can wear this to actually work out and be active in. And these are really cute and so comfortable, so smooth and soft, very lightweight. It's not like bulky or anything. And these are really cute. I like them a lot. Next, we have the G4FREE fleece lined pants, wide leg yoga pants with pockets. And these are the casual high-waisted sweatpants. Again, small, 29. You do have the logo in the back. These are in the color black. They are fleece lined, and I love that. It is currently, I think, like maybe 4 degrees Fahrenheit outside right now. It is freezing, but I still love my leggings. I'll be wearing my leggings even like in the snow. So I love that these are lined with fleece. It just adds that added layer and that warmth, which I so appreciate that. These are the high-waisted wide leg pants. So as you can see, they do have that wide leg silhouette. And they do come with pockets. I like that they are high-waisted. I love the wide leg because it can be very like lax and casual, like sweatpants, but you can still, again, dress them up and you'll still look presentable, but you still feel like you're in sweatpants and you can still be out and about, and I love it. But yeah, so these I'm obsessed with because of that lining. So these are a thicker material. They are absolutely not see-through because they are thicker. They are lined and they are nice and warm, but still on the outside, they do look very sleek and smooth and not bulky, which I appreciate because especially for the winters, I don't want to be wearing like tons of bulky, uncomfortable clothes, but like I don't want to freeze, you know? So this is really nice because it's lined and it's so comfortable and so cute, and these are like a staple basic piece. The next piece that we have are these sweatpants, and these are definitely more on the casual side. These are the G4FREE wide leg yoga pants with pockets, casual drawstring stretch pants, and I did get it in petite, again 29-inch inseam, in a small, and these are in dark coffee. Don't get me wrong, I love my leggings and I live in leggings, but lately I've just been reaching more for like a sweatpant. But these are still, again, presentable. Like I can wear them out and I don't look like I just rolled out of bed in my pajamas, you know, but they feel like I just rolled out of bed and I'm wearing my comfy pajamas. So these I love. It has that functioning drawstring. As you guys saw, this isn't a small. I don't know if I said that. So yes, these are in a small. I did pull the drawstring a good amount to just have it a little bit more snug for me at the waist. You can wear them high-waisted like I did. You can wear them a little bit on like the low-rise or mid-rise if you want as well. I like high-waisted stuff, so I just had to cinch it in a little bit more at the waist, which was fine. But I love that you have that option that you can wear it, you know, at different rises, and depending if you want it more snug or you need a little bit more room. It is elastic, as you can see, but you can still adjust at the waistband as well. I love the logo on this one. It's like, I don't know if you can see it. It's like a tone on tone finish, which is really nice. And it's more of like a rubbery type of material. You can still see it. It's a little bit more subtle. I love the tone on tone. I think it's very chic. And yes, this does have pockets. We love pockets. This is not like super thick, but it definitely is lined. You don't have to worry about anything being see-through. You don't have to worry about anything showing. These are the wide leg pants. So again, you have that like wide leg silhouette, not like anything fitted. It's not like a jogger fitted at the ankle. It is a true wide leg silhouette, and I really like it a lot. And last but not least, we have these beautiful pants. These are the G4FREE fleece lined, and this is a winter warm thermal sweatpants with pockets. When I tell you guys, as soon as I put them on, I was like, oh, these are so cozy. I didn't want to take them off, and I actually was gonna stay in them, but I'm like, all right, I have to take them off so I can show you guys like the lining. It's so good. These are again in a small 29 or petite, and this is in the color khaki. So it's like a nice beigey, creamy color. So you can still see against my cream top that I have, it is a little bit deeper and a little bit warmer, just for reference, but it is a beautiful like beigey color. So pretty. And I love the look of these because on the back it does have what looks like pockets. They are not functioning pockets, but you have that look of it, which to me, I feel like that kind of brings it up a little bit. It like elevates it a little bit and makes it so you can dress them up and not just like casual sweatpants, but you can wear them casually as well. It does have the logo up here. Like, look at that. That looks so good. I swear they like feel like the warm fuzzy pajamas. You know what I'm talking about? Those. They are so comfortable. And in the front here, you can see it also has like stitching to make it look like there's a zipper to kind of make it seem like it's a dress pant. And that is obviously not functioning. There is no zipper here, but it looks like it. But these front pockets are functioning and the pockets are lined with that fleece lining as well. And it is so warm and toasty. I'm telling you, this one is like top notch. It's freezing here. So when I put this on, I instantly got so warm and I was like, oh, these are it. Like, these are it. But yeah, this again has like the wide leg silhouette. I want to go ahead and show you the lining. Don't mind my nails, but there you can go ahead. I think you can see like the fleece lining. It is so warm, but you can see, I think you can see like the fleece lining right there. It's so warm. It's nice and thick. I love that these look like you can dress them up, but they're so comfy that you can just like snuggle up on the couch with them as well. But yeah, these are beautiful. I love them. These are the pants that I tried on for you today. I hope that you guys like this. Again, a huge thank you to G4FREE for working with me once again. Again, I would leave all that information down below, all of my referral links if you want to take a look and shop for yourself. I hope that this was helpful, especially seeing them and having that reference so you can see it on. I'm a visual person, so it helps me. I hope that it was helpful for you. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Let me know which piece was your favorite and if you have any of these pieces for yourself. That does it, and I'm probably gonna go and change back into these because they're so comfy. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.